What's up, guys? It's been a minute, so it's only right we make a new recipe that only takes around a minute. The best part? You only need 2 ingredients. This protein crepes recipe can be made sweet or savory and also be used as a wrap or frisbee. So let's jump right into that. You call them crepes or crepes? Drop it in the comments. Start with a blender, shaker bottle, or mixing bowl. A mixing bowl will work best if your powder doesn't clump. Add into whatever you're using 3 large egg whites and 1 scoop your choice flavor protein powder. Double or triple the recipe as needed for more. For sweet crepes, use vanilla or chocolate protein powder, and for savory, you can use an unflavored protein powder. I'll put more on how to upgrade them on the website, along with metric conversions and tips, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Mix, shake, or blend both of those ingredients together right until your clumps are gone. From here, take out a stovetop pan that's the size of the crepes you want and turn your burner on low-medium heat. Hit your pan with some non-stick cooking spray and pour in enough of your mix so that when you quickly rotate it around the pan like this, it fills the entire pan. The amount of mix you use will depend on the size pan you're using. You should get anywhere from 2 to 4 crepes here. Flip it over after around a minute or until the bottom has started to brown, and repeat until your mix is gone. While you're making them, choose your sweet or savory fillings. In the end, they should look like this. My biggest tip for these is if your first one doesn't come out great, don't give up. Once you get the hang of making them, they're super easy to prep and they're more than versatile. As for my favorite sweet fillings, fresh fruit, nut butter, hemp seeds, ground cinnamon, Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, and a little honey. My favorite savory fillings, some vegetables, a lean protein, seasoning, hummus, and cheese. If you end up trying these, drop your favorite combinations below. I'll put a few other higher protein combinations on the website too. For today's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many hemp seeds. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams below. The first one closest to it will win either a shirt or shaker. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more of these quick ideas. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. Catch.